Nearly 2/3 of millennial and Gen Z consumers have canceled the streaming service in the past 6 months, according to a Deloitte survey. Many blamed inflation for their decision to cut back on streamers like Netflix. Younger viewers told Insider about choosing between entertainment and essentials like gas and groceries. Streaming, getting where I need to go, streaming, fresh produce, streaming, and a box of cereal. Mm-hmm. How do you weigh those things out, Will? I mean, I think eating is probably better than streaming. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Just putting that out there. All the expenses started piling up and piling up and piling up to the point where I was like, man, I don't have enough room in my budget. This is what one user told Insider. Last year, by shedding his premium Netflix subscription and ad-free live TV membership with Hulu, McMiller trimmed nearly $100 from his monthly budget. It's true. These prices
they add up.
They've been going up, man.
They really add up.
They've been going up, and then everything else is costing more. You're just a guy trying to eat a chicken Big Mac and hating it. That'll cost you $13 or something.
Yeah. New
research released Monday by Deloitte illustrates what this phenomenon means for streamers. Nearly a third of millennial respondents, 32%, and 30% of members of Gen Z said they'd canceled at least one paid entertainment subscription within the past 6 months to save money. Well, you guys let me know in the comments here. Are you canceling subscriptions if you pulled the plug? If so, what did you cancel and how much were you paying for it? I'm curious on that number. But I get it. It's like you look at it. You know, the other thing that's happened in tandem is the number of things that you can watch that are free along with your connection, like the type of stuff you can watch on YouTube and all the short form stuff and everything else. And you say, you know what? I'm going to save a few bucks over here. I'm going to watch this other stuff instead when I got a moment, and I'm going to go buy a loaf of bread. I'm going to go buy...
Because now I can afford it.
The essentials.
Yeah.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.